tourism at RMUTP.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tourism at RMUTP, broadcasted by Rajamongkol University of Technology, Pranakhon, on Wednesday, the 28th of February 2024. Now, you are with me, Nonnaporn Kitisipanya, a lecturer of tourism major, Faculty of Liberal Arts. So, you are always with me on Wednesdays at 9 a.m. This program is the 28th, this program is the 48th episode. For this episode, I continue to tell you about tourism information of tourist attraction info region of Thailand. But today I will tell you only one place for each week to make you know more about tourist attraction of Thailand. I think this program is vital to students of tourism major and other people who would like to learn and know more about Thailand because the program allows viewers to understand Thailand in the perspective of tourism attraction and to have opportunity to acquire information document. Therefore, the program Tourism at RMUTP is created to encourage people to travel to Thailand to enjoy about scenery of Thailand while impressing Thai culture. The program does not only provide people about important things that are knowledgeable and informative, but it also allows people to acknowledge information for their future career and for a quick understanding of Thailand. And at the last part of the program, I also provide you news and latest update from university as usual to get you to know more about our university. Okay, see you in the next part. Yes, welcome back to another part. Our program has informed you about a lot about Thailand and Thai culture, which is reflected by Thai people in all four regions of Thailand. Thai culture includes Thai arts, Thai handicrafts, and also Thai food. And last week, I talked to you about information of tourist destination of four regions to make you know more about tourism attraction of Thailand, which is the Dead Railway in Sayok district. But today, I'm going to tell you about another attraction in this province, I mean Kanchanaburi, which is the Erawan Waterfall. Yes, when visitors enjoy the places of historical area along the railway and river quay, I recommend you to go on a relaxing place surrounded by hilly mountain located in the Tanausi Hill Range of Kanchanaburi Province. Yes, Erawan National Park is home to one of the most popular waterfall in the country, which is called Erawan Waterfall. Founded in 1975 as Thailand's the 12th national park, it covered an area of 550 square kilometers. Oh, so big, isn't it? The major attraction of the park is the seven-tiered Erawan Falls, with emerald green ponds. There are also several impressive and long caves within the park. Some of them are deeper inside the park, but few of them emerging along the road along the park. The park and the falls are named after the three-headed white elephant of Hindu mythology. The top the top tier of the fall is said to resemble an elephant head. That's why it's called Erawan Waterfall. Around 80% of the park is mixed deciduous forest, and the rest on higher elevation deeper inside deciduous, the pictured and dry evergreen forests. Beautiful, isn't it? The park consists of limestone hills, plains, and numerous of streams. Elevation are around 160 to 996 meter high. Oh. The surrounding mountain protects the park from eastern monsoon, resulting in less rainfall compared to the other forest area further west. The rainy season is in May to October, with most rainfall around September to October and a bit into November. Rest of the year is quite dry, with a bit cooler weather around November to January. Due to the limited number of trails, wildlife watching possibility in Erawan National Park are very limited. Only relatively common species elsewhere in the country can be found in the park. Not much of unique habitat of the mammal species. Crab-eating muscars and wild boars are common in the Erawan National Park. Deeper into the forest, some more exciting animals like Assam macaque is very rare in Thailand. Barking deer, sambar deer, Asian elephants, gibbons, and Indo-Chinese sow can be found about wildlife. There are around 120 birds species recorded from Erawan National Park. Birds like crested serpent eagle, Carlit pleasant or ไก่ฟ้าหลังเทา Grey peacock peahen, lesser short wings and great hornbills or นกเงือก are all recorded as in the park. Okay, that's all from this part. Bye from now. See you again in the next part. Now, welcome back to part 2 which I will tell you more details about the Erawan waterfall. Well, getting to the park is difficult. The park is easily accessible by public buses from Kanchanaburi or Bangkok. Once in the park, the first tier of the fall is a few hundred meters from visitor center. Signposts where it is possible to rent bicycle at the visitor center area for 20 baht a day. The bicycles can be used to access the first two lower tier only. A trip to Erawan for could be combined with visiting bridge over the river Kwai, Pratat Cave, Dead Railway, or Hellfire Pass. The park is generally quite busy every day and every busy during weekend and public holidays. During the annual Songkran festival, the 13th to the 15th of April, the waterfall tears turn into a celebration place with water fighting. It is not recommended to carry any now waterproof electronic equipment like sensitive camera or mobile phones during the festival. People are recommended to avoid the fall during longer holidays, as there will be kilometer long queue and parking may be only possible along the road far from the entrance. Bear in the mind that food is strictly forbidden beyond the second tier. Visitor must pay 20 baht for fee of any drink for f- sorry visitor must pay 20 baht fee per bottle of any drinks which can be refunded when the bottles are returned. This this to ensure that the bottles are not left behind or thrown away in the nature. Who are after less busier, similar, and even more impressive for are recommended to get to Hue Kamin Falls, about 43 kilometers east of Erawan Fall in Sinakarin Dam National Park. In weekday, very few people are seen around there. I recommend you to visit the Erawan waterfall once. Okay, I hoped the information I share you today is essential and interesting. I think it is vital to students of tourism major and important to people who would like to be an English speaking guide of Thailand to recommend to foreigner as a pride of Thailand. Okay, I think foreigners like this. Okay, that's all from this part. See you again in the last part. Yes, this is the last part, part 3, about RMUPT news as usual. It is about students project showcase. Well, the Department of Advertising and Public Relation Technology, Faculty of Mass Communication Technology, Rajamongkol University of Technology, Pranakon organized a seminar on the topic of I wanna be content creator, content path in the digital age. in order to enhance skills and knowledge. Moreover, the seminar encouraged students to show the ability and experiences in organizing events and allow students to apply the knowledge in class for maximum benefit in their future career. The event was supported by EXOT Professor Vibonpan Apavet, a project consultant and a lecturer in the Department of Advertising and Public Relation Technology, Faculty of Mass Communication Technology. This event was presided by Associate Professor Dr. Vichaporn Tiepjaturat, the Dean of the Faculty, acting as the opening chairman, and Mr. Mai Jirawat Wongdilokwat, or Lowland Happy Influencer from the Powerpuff Gay, a person who makes the content interesting and the concept of working to be successful. Participants were more than 100 students from the Faculty of Mass Communication Technology participating in the seminar on the February the 2nd, 2024 at the D Hall Ratchamongkol University of Technology Pranakon Auditorium. Thank you. That's all from our today's program. Please stay tuned with us and see you again. Please subscribe to our channel at worldwideweb.englishonline at .rmutp.ac.th or on TikTok at RMUTP or on Facebook at RMUTP and RMUTP Live. Thank you. See you again. Goodbye.
Tourism at our MUTP